How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
A lot of work?
Sometimes.
I'm a credit expert. I'm going around the city asking people how much they know about not their personal credit, but just about a credit journey. Might have to ask you a few questions. Be really quick. So what do you know about personal credit? I mean, who taught you? Did you learn on your own? Did your parents teach you?
Why? What I've been doing is just getting paid and then I'll pay it cash.
Okay. So your credit is good.
Awesome.
Awesome. Good for you. So what are the benefits of having a great credit score? I mean, what are some of the things? Because I work with a lot of people that have bad credit. What are some of the perks?
Yeah. For me, it's just when you go to the store, if you need something,
Yeah, with great interest rates, right?
Well, I always pay fast.
Oh, so you're the kind of individual that likes
One
doesn't
or
like
two
to have
months, and then I pay.
You're done. Well, I mean, I'm sure you have a 700 plus FICO score, which is really, really good. Now, what kind of advice would you give to individuals that have bad credit?
I have no idea.
You wouldn't know because you live your life with good credit, right?
Pay their, the bills, and with more time, the credit is gonna happen.
Yeah, yeah. So how would you describe having a good credit score with one word?
You have the doors open.
Doors open.
Yeah.
So having a good credit score opens the doors, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Sure.
Appreciate your time. Your name again?
Fernando.
Fernando, un placer.
Okay.
Thank you. So we just spoke to the car attendant here at Porto parking lot, and he says having a good credit score opens the doors. He's never experienced bad credit, so he doesn't know what to say to people that have bad credit other than fix it, guys. So if you have bad credit, you're seeing here today, everyone we spoke to has good credit. The question is, are you one of those?